In today's video, I'll compare Hello Bello and Kirkland Diapers. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. The main difference is price. Kirkland size 1 diapers cost 18 cents each, while Hello Bello size 1 diapers cost 25 cents each. Kirkland also offers frequent sales, but Kirkland has wetness indicators on all sizes, while Hello Bello only has them from newborn to size 2. Hello Bello offers 7 sizes including newborn, while Kirkland has 6 sizes starting from size 1. Both brands are highly absorbent, chlorine-free, and fragrance-free, providing up to 12 hours of wetness protection. In summary, I prefer Hello Bello for its newborn size and softness, but Kirkland wins for its affordability and reliability. Feel free to check out the products from the links in our description. Thanks for watching.